In the morning analysis, I told you gold is looking forward to break below 1920 and the target is going to be 1910 and then 1900, precisely the target achieved here. I hope you all profited. At least I can get a like on this video if you have profited here. Now what to expect? Today with the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Likewise, crude oil too has dropped below 77 and has gone to close to 76.6. We will see in detail which position you should take now with the US session in gold and crude oil with the help of charts and indicators. First gold, followed with crude oil WTI. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, do note down the levels and trade as per the levels here. Let's start. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the daily analysis and targets. The next update will be released almost 12 to 14 hours from now with the Asia session. Do watch that also. Now look at the hourly charts for gold. Certainly it has come out of this consolidation zone in which it was trading 1935, 1920 and it has given a breakdown. I told you in the morning below 1920 one can stay short for 1910, 1900. Now see here, 1900 is the next major support and what it is trying to do, certainly bearishness has diminished here but it is still giving you lower lows, lower highs. So once it breaks past this zone here at 1907 you can buy, but then expect 1910 as the first major support. In fact, you can buy here at 1905 levels and then you can expect 1910 levels which is the first resistance and then 1915. Now 1915 and 1920, remember 1920 is going to be the ultimate resistance only above which you can consider it to trade bullish. Till that time it can drop again any point of time. Now look at the directional movement, it is bearish here. The stochastic is trading oversold. The MACD is still trading divergent and bearish on the hourly charts and now it is well below the comfortable levels here. You can see it has dropped down to the extremes here. Possibility for it to converge again exist. The RSI is trading oversold here on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see, first the previous candle was kind of a consolidation candle, which also suggests that yes, beyond 1904 you can buy for 1906 and then you can expect higher highs, higher lows. That means we can expect it to go till towards 1907, 1908 levels, and only if it trades beyond 1908 you can expect the first resistance at 1910, then 1915 and then ultimately 1920 levels. These are definitely, this level is going to be the definite ultimate resistance, 1920. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, the MACD is divergent and bearish, it is still looking down. The RSI is also oversold here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. See here the increasing bearishness, then this candle has given a hope that the lows are done and possibility exists that it can give you a little reversal and trade till towards 1908, 1910 level. There is a possibility exists for this, and what you need to do is you need to buy at 1904, 1905 levels. But then see, this trade only you should take if you are able to risk a bit on the, because this is a counter trade. Else what is the best trade is to sell the rise till 1920. That is something we can expect. But right now you can buy here at 1904, expect 1908 levels, and in fact it can try to trade till towards 1910, 1912 level. Now look at the directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold. If you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish, RSI is oversold here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see, remember first red candle, second red candle, this candle has still got the scope for it. Once it trades below 1900, I will recommend you to sell at 1900 levels, below which you can expect 1897, 95 as the first resistance zone. Now see, if it trades below 1900, which is definitely a very good support, you can say that the journey is complete till here. Now below which I have told you in my weekly analysis also that it can come back till towards this zone, that is 1880, 1870. This is certainly the next strongest support. So I'll wait for it to break past 1900 levels in order to trade bearish here. The directional movement divergent and bearish, the stochastic oversold, the MACD divergent and bearish, the RSI is again at bottom. Now look at the daily charts. Now on the daily chart, see, so far it was trading in this bullish channel and this time it is broke down on the downside, and definitely 1900 is an extremely good support, and once it trades below 1900 you can expect 1880 levels, which are the next target, and below which 1880 1870 zone. This is going to be an extremely important support. If not today, possibly we may see it achieving these levels tomorrow. Possibility exists, but remember, this is valid till the time it trades below 1920. Only above 1920 you can expect that there could be little more bullishness. Directional movement so far was bullish, trying to converge crossover. Stochastic dropping directly to the oversold zone. The MACD, I told you, has crossed over. In my weekly analysis also I told, in my daily analysis also I told several times that it is divergent, it is bearish, it is looking downwards, and it has a scope for it to continue with this. And if you look at the RSI, this is also looking down. Considering, see, if you are buying at 1904, remember 1908, 1910, 1912 till 1912 levels, it has got very good resistance, and these are achievable levels. Yes, it will get you almost $6 to $8 movement, and in fact it can try to rise till towards 1915. But remember, only bullishness is confirmed if it trades beyond 1920 levels. Till the time, this is just a retracement trade, and it can drop again any point of time. So it can drop from 1806, 1906, it can drop from 1908, it can drop from 1910, 12. So please trade with a $2 trailing stop loss if you are taking a buy entry. Remember, this is a retracement trade and against the trend, and hence you should trade with caution. And else what you should do, if you see it trading at 1950, 1920 again, we can expect a drop from those levels also. So you can take a sell position from those levels possibly. At the same time, if you see it dropping below 1900, you can expect a further drop till towards 1897-95, the first target, then 1890, and then below that we can see 1884-85 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at crude oil WTI. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th mentorship batch starts on 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. Only a couple of seats are left. Do book your seats now itself. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Now let's have a look at the crude oil. Now see oil on the hourly charts. First of all, let me draw somewhat a little beautifully for you. You can see it is trading in this bearish channel. The high is now at 77.5, 77.7 levels. So yes, you can buy here. If you see it trading above 77.7 levels, you can buy for 78.2 and 78.5. And only if it breaks beyond 78.5, you can consider this for a little more buy entry, and you can expect 79, 79.2 levels. Also on the downside, now you can also see 76.5 is a very good support, below which only we can expect a little more drop. Now let's also have a further detailed look. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. A stochastic oversold trying to look upwards. The MACD is bearish, and at bottom possibly from here a little rise can be expected. RSI is also trading oversold, and we can see a little rise here. If you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, this should be considered a retracement till the time it trades below 77.7, 78 levels. You should consider this just a retracement, not a reversal. Only if it trades above 78.2, 78.5 levels, you can consider this for a little retracement on the reversal on the upside, where you can expect 79 and plus levels. If you look at the direction movement, this is divergent and bearish. Stochastic is trading oversold, and we can look forward to a rise here. The MACD is bearish, it is trying to converge. RSI is trading at bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, this is signaling a little reversal here after multiple red candles. It is trying to rise, still 77.5, 77.8 levels. You need to be cautious of this. And if you look at the direction movement, it is bearish. Stochastic oversold trying to rise. MACD is bearish, it is seen the bottom, possibly it may converge. RSI is also trading oversold. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, first thing, resistance there at 78.2, very strong. Support there at 77 now, and only if it trades below 77, there could be little more bearishness, which might take it for 76.5, 76.5, 76 and 75 levels. And now if you see it trading above this zone at 77.8, you can initiate a buy entry for 78, 78.2, and only bullish confirmation is if it breaks past 78.5 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI trading at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. So far it failed to breach below 70, above 78 levels throughout this day. And remember, yesterday it had a sharp red candle which ended with a flat bottom. So only if you see it trading above 78, there could be little more possibility for 78.5, 79 levels. And hence, see, 77.8 to 76.7 levels, almost $1.1 of move. And from here, if you count $1.1, which makes it to almost at around 79 levels, and this is only if you see it trading above 78 levels. Directional movement has crossed over for a bearish, stochastic oversold on the daily charts. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is also looking downwards. Considering this, you can sell here at 77 again and then expect 76.5 levels, which is a very good support, and below 76.5 further bearishness might take it for 76, 75 and 74 levels. Remember, I have told you several times, 74 is an ultimate support, and only if you see oil breaching below 74 you can consider this as bearish, else it can try to trade here within this as support, and hence you should trade with caution. So for the day you can buy at 77.7, expect 78.2, 78.5 and 79, 78.8, 79 levels. But remember, 78.2 is a very good resistance on the upside. At the same time, if you are selling here at 77 levels, you can expect 76.6, 76.4 and 76 levels, which is the next target. Hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.